Repairing your skin barrier, you can get reddish glow on your skin with applying this Hydra Glow Red Serum to use natural hydrating properties. Like 1 tablespoon of raw beetroot extract, 2 tablespoons of rice water, around 2 tablespoons of rose water, half tablespoon of glycerin, and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. You can use any market type aloe vera gel, but I have used raw aloe vera gel. Mix all until serum like texture. Pour into a serum container and leave at least for 30 minutes. One thing remember, you have to keep it in the refrigerator for better shelf life.